Hola, and welcome back to Hola Clarita. Last time, Carlos landed in Madrid and learned some of his first Spanish words and sounds. Today, he's heading to baggage claim to collect his luggage. Along the way, you'll learn one of the most important building blocks of Spanish, nouns and articles. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how words like el, la, un, and una work with a few useful travel words. Let's help Carlos find his luggage. Carlos follows the airport signs until he arrives at baggage claim. Suitcases move around the carousel. Travelers are searching for their bags. Carlos sees objects all around him: suitcases, backpacks, passports, and luggage. Clarita points out something important. In Spanish, these object words often come with little words in front of them. Words like la maleta, el pasaporte, el equipaje. What do these little words mean? Let's find out. In Spanish, every noun has a gender. A noun is a person, place, or thing. For example, suitcase, passport, backpack, luggage. In Spanish, nouns are usually either masculine or feminine. Masculine nouns often use el, which means the, and un, which means a. Feminine nouns often use la, which means the, and una, which means a. You don't need to memorize every rule today. For now, just notice the patterns and practice a few useful examples. Our first phrase is la maleta. La maleta means the suitcase. Listen once more. La maleta. Excellent. Next, la mochila. La mochila means the backpack. Listen once more. La mochila. Very good. Next, el pasaporte. El pasaporte means the passport. Listen once more. El pasaporte. Perfect. Next, el equipaje. El equipaje means the luggage. Listen once more. El equipaje. Our final phrase is la cinta de equipaje. La cinta de equipaje means the baggage carousel. Listen once more. La cinta de equipaje. Great job. Now, let's look at the articles. Listen carefully. El pasaporte. La maleta. El equipaje. Notice that the article changes. We don't say la pasaporte, and we don't say el maleta. The article must match the noun. Let's practice. I'll say the English word. You choose the Spanish phrase. Passport. El pasaporte. Excellent. Suitcase. La maleta. Very good. Luggage. El equipaje. Perfect. Now let's learn un and una. These mean a or an. Listen. Un pasaporte. A passport. Great. Una maleta. A suitcase. Excellent. One more. Una mochila. A backpack. Fantastic. Carlos has been waiting for several minutes. He still can't find his suitcase. He decides to ask an airport employee for help.
Perdón, no encuentro la maleta.
¿Qué color es la maleta?
Es negra.
La maleta está en la cinta de equipaje.
Gracias.
De nada.
Carlos looks carefully. A black suitcase appears on the carousel.
Ah, la maleta.
Carlos grabs his suitcase and smiles. Success. Carlos agarra su maleta y sonríe. Éxito. Great job, Carlos, and great job everyone watching. You just used Spanish nouns and articles in a real travel situation. Let's review today's vocabulary. La maleta, suitcase. La mochila, backpack. El pasaporte, passport. El equipaje, luggage. La cinta de equipaje, baggage carousel. Today's grammar. El and la mean the. Un and una mean a. Remember, articles must match the noun. You also helped Carlos find his suitcase at baggage claim. Not bad for your second Spanish lesson. Congratulations! You just completed Lesson 2 of your Spanish journey. Today, you learned Spanish nouns, articles, and useful baggage claim vocabulary while helping Carlos collect his luggage. In our next lesson, Carlos heads to his hotel reception desk, where we'll learn greetings, polite hotel phrases, and how to begin a real check-in conversation in Spanish. If you're enjoying the series, subscribe and continue learning with Hola Clarita. Gracias por aprender conmigo. Hasta la próxima.